EV9 GT. Please welcome Vice President of Sales Operations, Kia America, Eric Watson.
There it is, making its world debut, the Kia EV9 GT. What do you think? Kia is a brand on the move, and the EV9 GT is evidence of how fast we can go as we take the brand to the next level. Like all Kias bearing the GT badge, it amplifies the fun factor with serious high-performance goods. The vehicle's dual motor produces an estimated 501 horsepower, resulting in a targeted 0 to 60 time of just 4.3 seconds. And its GT-exclusive 21-inch alloyed wheels are shod with high-performance Continental tires. We've also equipped the EV9 GT with upgraded electronic suspension controls. And for the most dynamic settings, just tap the neon green button mode and hold on for the fun. As for stopping power, that's what these larger front brake and GT calipers are all about. Inside the suede-trimmed cabin, you'll find exclusive, deeply bolstered sport seats and GT-colored accents and embossed logos. Starting in the first half of 2025, all EV9 models will be equipped with the North American Charging Standard port, nearly doubling the number of DC fast chargers that our owners can access. Look for the EV9 GT in dealerships in the later half of 2025. Meanwhile, our first ever dedicated EV, the EV6, is still going strong, collecting prestigious awards and high praise. It's been a J.D. Power Appeal winner for 3 straight years, and this year, sales are up. They're up 8%. So what do you do when you have a popular vehicle that customers love? Well, at Kia, we make it even better. The 2025 Kia EV6 evolves to offer more of everything you want, including more refined design, more technology, and more power. Here it is, introducing the 2025 Kia EV6. Thank you. Check out the sportier, more aggressive look of the front end that EV6 brings in line with our Opposites United design language. The new signature star map lighting incorporates vertical elements that are there to enhance the impression of the vehicle's width. The front bumper has sharper angles flowing harmoniously with the character lines of the hood. And there are unique patterns for each model, so every EV6 trim makes its own statement. EV6 also offers a selection of striking wheel designs available in 19 to 21 inches. Around the back, star map lighting appearance is echoed in these 3-dimensional tail lights. And the dynamic rear bumper features a wing shape similar to that of the front of the vehicle. Inside, you'll discover a more premium cabin environment that enhances the width and open feel. The standard curved dual 12.3-inch display is powered by our next-generation infotainment system, the connected car navigation cockpit. The center stack is sleeker and swaps the previous high-gloss surfaces for a sophisticated texture. It features a redesigned mobile phone charger with anti-slip surfaces that help keep your device secure. There's also a new D-shaped steering wheel with electronic tilt and telescoping features, which along with overall steering improvements, results in a more comfortable driving experience. Plus, the steering wheel is now equipped with hands-on detection to ensure drivers are staying focused on the road. With available digital key 2.0 with ultra wideband, EV6 drivers can use their compatible smart devices or an NFC-enabled smart card as their virtual keys. This allows you to lock, unlock, and drive even with your phone in your pocket or bag. You can also share a digital key with another user just by sending a text. The long list of enhancements continues under the skin, including more range. With our available 84 kilowatt-hour battery, customers who prioritize range can get a targeted all-electric range of up to 319 miles. But for customers who want to kick up the fun factor, the EV6 GT cranks out 601 horsepower and 545 pound-feet of torque, and even more with launch mode activated. GT also adds new virtual gear shift features that simulate shifts with visuals, engine sound effects, and tactile sensations for a more immersive driving experience. Fast charging remains a standout feature, and like EV9, the EV6 will come with factory-equipped NACS charging ports. Plus, we've made updates to the battery system that will now enable vehicle-to-grid capabilities. That's the new EV6, and early next year, we will add the capability of video streaming to both EV6 and EV9, ultimately expanding it to the entire lineup by mid-2025. Finally, I'm proud to announce that EV6 will join the EV9 in our US assembly plant next year in West Point, Georgia. These EVs are strong evidence of our focus on sustainable mobility leadership, and there's more to come. Kia is driving towards a future with EVs that raise the bar and invite more customers to begin their electrification journey with us. In the meantime, customers have shown that they appreciate Kia's innovation to go electric their own way. And with the addition of our first ever Carnival hybrid, Kia now offers 10 electrified models. Sales of Kia EV, PHEV, and hybrid models saw a dramatic double-digit growth year over year, delivering their best all-time performance in October. Of course, Kia's momentum is not limited to electric vehicles. We continue to offer customers a wide range of segments and powertrains, including sedans and MPVs. Carnival, Sportage, and EV6 set best ever October sales records, with 4 of our other models making significant gains over the same period last year. And our all-new Kia K4 compact sedan was named a North American Car of the Year finalist just this morning. It's already winning customers over with its head-turning design and surprising above-segment content. That formula continues to pay off for Kias, is giving customers everything they need and more than they expect. And finally, there's perhaps no better example of that than the final vehicle we have to share with you today, the Kia Sportage. With a 30-year history in America, it's our longest-running nameplate and by far our all-time volume leader. In fact, the record-setting Sportage is our top-selling model. Sportage stands out in the segment thanks to the choices in powertrains, trims, and off-road capability. So how will we maintain this momentum? By continuing to give customers all the choices they need to find a Sportage that fits perfectly into their lives.
They say it's hard to fit in and stand out. But things like style, comfort, and rugged capability don't mix. We know better because we live for this. Always pushing, striving, seeking. We do this for you, those who live the limitless life, who wander in the wilderness and navigate our city streets in style. The ones in search of meaningful connections and those who just want to get away. This is for every version of you, the new Kia Sportage.
Please welcome Senior Chief Designer, Kia Design Center America, Tom Kearns.
Good morning, thank you. Thank you. Inspired by our Opposites United design philosophy, the new Sportage is ready for anything. This update delivers smooth surfaces offset by rugged, sheer forms and combines off-road confidence with modern cues. With every generation, Sportage becomes more capable, and we've reflected that visually through a bolder vertical grille to create a more confident and rugged image. Up front, you'll notice the Kia signature star map lighting with distinctive amber DRLs, while the rear star map features a unique, transparent look. The rear bumper is enhanced with a bolder design to emphasize its wide stance. Sportage models will offer all new alloy wheel designs ranging from 17 to 19 inches. Now on the inside, it's all about balancing bold, modern, high-tech elements with soft materials. And we've created distinct living spaces for the driver and the passenger. For the driver, we emphasize technology and capability with a new standard two-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel. It gives the driver access to dedicated drive mode and terrain mode switches for optimum control. Throughout the interior, Sportage introduces differentiated accent trim textures that not only add a touch of sophistication, but also resist fingerprints. In addition to designing a great new Sportage, we have focused on creating even more differentiation between the trims to deliver that perfect fit for each customer. The X-Line trim blends confident and rugged exterior features. Unique front and rear bumpers create a tougher image, and the ground clearance highlights the vehicle's capability on and off-road. The side mirrors, roof rack, and window surrounds are finished in gloss black, and the raised roof rack is ready to accommodate all your adventure gear. X-Line also supports exclusive 19-inch wheels. Now X Pro takes you even further off the beaten path with off-road hardware to match its rugged appearance. Moving from the ground up, that starts with BF Goodrich all-terrain tires on 17-inch matte black off-road wheels. The X Pro adds LED lights, LED projector headlights, fog lights to illuminate the trail ahead. Inside both the X-Line and X Pro trims, you'll find unique tread pattern stitching on exclusive synthetic leather seats. And now, to tell you why Sportage is as capable and sophisticated as it looks, please welcome Vice President of Marketing, Russell Wager.
Good job. Thanks, Tom. As you've already seen today, when Kia introduces a refreshed vehicle, we push the limits. We've done the same with the 2026 Kia Sportage. It starts with our panoramic display, which is expanding across the lineup, along with all the capabilities of our connected car navigation cockpit, including standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as over-the-air updates. Owners of hybrid models will enjoy the convenience of an available 10-inch heads-up display with capability to display onboard navigation or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto turn-by-turn directions. Smart Key with push-button start is standard. And customers can upgrade to Digital Key 2.0 Premium for effortless vehicle access. Up front, there's optional memory for driver's seat and outside mirror settings. Power folding mirrors are also optional. And while they're enjoying best-in-class rear seat legroom, second-row passengers can stay plugged in with dual USB-C charge ports. Sportage is all about choices, and that's why it continues to offer the broadest range of powertrains in the segment. We've refined our hybrid and PHEV powertrains to deliver an uptick in horsepower. And now, terrain mode is standard for all all-wheel drive models, optimizing traction for conditions such as snow, mud, and sand. Sportage couples capability with confidence, thanks to a comprehensive list of ADAS technologies that grows even longer for 2026, with new standard and available features, including standard auto emergency braking with pedestrian, cyclist, and car detection, and standard hands-on detection. In short, whether you're an urban adventurer, an off-pavement explorer, or a daily commuter, there's a Kia Sportage for you. The new Sportage will arrive in Kia showrooms in the second quarter of next year, and most trims will be assembled right here in the US at our West Point, Georgia plant. Finally, I'd like to invite you to check out the two exciting concept vehicles we unveiled in Las Vegas 2 weeks ago at SEMA. Our Kia Adventure, the ultimate off-road EV9 concept, and our Kia Weekender off-road EV van concept based on the PBV models we introduced earlier this year at CES. It's a true multi-tool on wheels, designed to capture the imagination of overlanding enthusiasts. These are two more examples of the non-stop movement and innovation at Kia. Now, I'd like to ask our President and CEO of Kia North America and Kia America, Sean Yoon, and our COO and EVP, Steve Center, as well as Tom and Eric, to come join me on stage for a few photos, and then we'll invite all of you up for a closer look. Thank you for being with us today. Have a great rest of your day at the show.